Hi guys, wow, hello voice, come back. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do an updated skincare routine. It's been years since I've done a skincare routine or showed you my skincare routine. I've already did it. I'm barefaced. I just have my lashes on and some mascara, because I felt like if I did a skincare video, why would I have a full face of makeup on? Just my thought process, you know? Makes sense? I don't know. To me, it does. But before I get started, I want to give you guys a huge hug and kisses from behind the camera, in front of the camera, behind the camera, whatever. I hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers! I can't believe it. This is crazy. I never thought the day would come. I am just super proud of myself because it's like hard for me to talk. I genuinely built my YouTube from the ground up. I didn't have a huge social media following on other platforms. I did not buy subscribers. I did not buy views, because I feel like in this day and age, you can buy subscribers and views and be on your way. It just feels so good to just do it how it should be done, build it up, and reach goals. And I did it. I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys, because I don't find myself to be that interesting or fun to watch. I'm just being me. And the fact that a majority of you like my videos and watch my videos and comment and write me and message me, that means the world to me. So I wanted to just give you guys a huge thank you. I can't get my smile off of my face. This is amazing, and I hit a goal. I guess my next goal will be 5,000. So I'm making it even bigger than the first 1,000, but I don't know. It's just crazy. All right, now I need to calm my tits and get on with the skincare. So if you would like to see what I do for my skincare routine, then keep on watching. First off, I feel like my face doesn't match my neck, because my self-tanner on my face never really takes as well, so that's why I'm two different shades. So lately I feel like I've been getting more questions about my skincare, because, I mean, let's be real, if you've been watching my videos lately, like my chin and like over here, just this facial region in general breaks out. That is my horrible breakout point, spot, whatever you want to call it, and I am a picker. I've said that before. I pick my skin, I pick my pimples, and don't do it. I would recommend not doing that, obviously, because the little guys stick around for a lot longer than if you were to just let them live and let them be and go away on their own. But since that is a bad habit that I have, they stick around. So let me start from the beginning. I have oily skin. It's kind of toned down, I feel like, over the last couple of years. I'm not as oily as I used to be. I feel like I'm actually on that verge of being like oily combination or dry oily combination, because I feel like my forehead and like right here is extremely dry, and then I don't know, I just feel really dry on the outer perimeter of my face, and then I'm very oily in my T-zone. So I guess I'm leaning more on combination, but I still feel like I'm very oily when it comes to my T-zone. So I exfoliate maybe twice a week, sometimes only once a week, and it's more of just with, not gonna lie, it's just with a wash rag and some bar soap. I use now, before I get started, this video is far from sponsored. I use a hella lot of Oil of Olay products. And if you didn't know, my husband works for Procter & Gamble, who makes Oil of Olay. So I am lucky enough to be able to get my hands on Oil of Olay products, and a lot of Oil of Olay products, because he brings them home, or what P&G does during the holidays, they send out basically like a care package of just a lot of their products. So I'm fortunate enough to get some of these products for free, just because my husband does work for Procter & Gamble, but I do love them, and I wouldn't say I love them if I don't love them. And I think my dream would be to like be in an Oil of Olay ad because I love their products, some of their face products, like Olay of Olay. I know I'm a piss ant YouTuber at this point, but like, can you like keep your eye out? If you want to use this face, cover this up. If we want to use this face, call me, have my people call your people. Have your people call my people. Whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't say that if I wasn't fortunate enough to be able to try these products, if I would use them on the normal, but since I am being full transparency here, I try these products and I love these products. So I do use 3 Olay of Olay products along with the bar soap. So the bar soap I use, gosh, I can't remember off the top of my head, and it's in my, let me go get it. Okay, so the bar soap that I use is this right here. It's the Olay of Olay Ultra Moisturizer Shea Butter. This is the soap I use, and when I exfoliate or when I'm in the shower, whatever I'm using, this is what I'm using on my face. I take that with a wash rag and just gently exfoliate my skin, and like I said, I do that at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, just kind of depends how my skin is feeling. And I do feel like when I do exfoliate, I get like extra oily, so I really don't have to do that as much in the winter. I mean in the summer, because I'm just an oil grease ball. So I'm more worried about exfoliating in the winter, if that makes sense. But that is my soap of choice. After I wash my face with that, I jump into an Olay cleanser. This one is my new favorite. It is the Olay Micropolishing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Facial Cleanser. This has crushed ginger and citrus extract. This one has little beads in it, like exfoliation beads, which I've only started using this the last week, somewhere around there. There goes my voice. But there's something about this one, I really find that it works better. It doesn't aggressively exfoliate my face, so maybe that's why I don't feel like I have to like exfoliate as much, but the micro polishing beads in it, oh, I just love that feeling. I feel like it gets cleaner, and I notice a little bit of a difference, whereas with the other one, it didn't have those beads in it. I'll put the other one that I was using right here. But I liked it, but there's just something about this one that I've noticed with it claiming that it's hydrating glow. I really feel like that it does kind of give my face that hydrating glow to it. So this is my go-to cleanser that I use daily. And then after I pat my face dry, I jump into the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1. This is my jam. This is my holy grail. I have not found anything that I like more than this as a moisturizer. I just love this stuff. They have 2 different ones. They have one that has fragrance, and then they have the fragrance-free one. I use the fragrance-free one. The fragrance-free one. So this is anti-aging moisturizer with sunscreen SPF 15. If you've ever watched any of my videos and you're like, damn, that bitch's face is shiny, that is why. That makes you just dewy and glowy, and I find it to be perfect for under my makeup with no makeup. It just gives me a gorgeous glow. But sometimes I'll put it on right before I sit down and film, so I look like extra shiny. It doesn't do anything funky to my foundation or concealer or anything, because sometimes I've used different moisturizers where it kind of makes my makeup a little funky. I don't know, that's just my opinion, but I find that this goes on beautifully under makeup. Another Olay product that I use daily, sometimes twice a day, just because I use it before makeup, and once I wash my face and take my makeup off for the day, I will use it again. So sometimes it's once a day when I'm not wearing makeup, and sometimes it's twice a day when I put it on before makeup, wash my makeup off, and then use it after I take my makeup off. It is the Olay Ultimate Eye Cream. I used to use the Olay, it's like the roller, hydrating roller or anti-wrinkle roller. But I just find this to be a little bit better. So it says you can use morning and evening on cleansed skin. Massage a small amount around the eye, under eyes, corners, eyelids, and smooth until it is absorbed. This is my eye cream of choice. I love using this. It feels good under the eye. It smooths out my under eyes. That's why I like to use it before my makeup application, because I mean, a bitch is getting old. I'm gonna be 34 this year. So I feel like I need to get them bags and them wrinkles under control right now so that it'll help in the long run. Maybe. But yes, that is what I use for my eye cream. The next thing I use on the daily, you see me spray my beauty sponge with it when I use my foundation and concealer. It is the Mario Badescu. This is the Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea, and as you can see, this is a brand new one. This is my favorite. I think there's like 3 or 4, don't quote me, but somewhere around there, different types of this spray, and the Aloe Cucumber Green Tea is my favorite. I feel like it makes my foundation and my concealer go on beautifully. I just can't go without this in my makeup routine. Oh God. This is it, okay? But what I do when I mix it into my skincare routine, like if I am not wearing any makeup, sometimes I'll spray it before I use my Olay 7-in-1 and just let it sink into my skin, and then I'll use the 7-in-1, or sometimes if I jump ahead of myself and I already have this on, I'll just spray it over it and just kind of massage it into my face along with this. So, I mean, I'm not too particular with it, but those two mesh well together, give me that glow, that hydration that my skin wants. And yeah, they go together like peas and carrots. And then I try to do a mask once a week. I'm really bad about doing masks. I wish I was better at it. I feel like what I do already without masks is pretty good, but if my skin is really getting pissed off, I like to go in with the Farmacy Bright On vitamin C masks. You can see, like, I've used a lot of this. I got it a while ago. I believe I got it one of my BoxyCharms. Oh yeah, exclusively for BoxyCharm. Thank you. Yeah, this is a vitamin C clay mask. Instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup impurities and visibly improve the appearance of skin and texture. It can be applied 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know. I've used a lot of masks throughout my days, and I do find that this one is pretty damn good. I also like to use, and I said this in my skincare routine years ago, I like the Garnier mask that you put on, and I like to use the hydrating one because even though I have oily skin, I am a hydrating fanatic. I like to have like the most hydrated skin you can have, but I do want to say that I do drink a lot of water. I try to drink at least 80 ounces of water a day. Sometimes I drink less, sometimes I drink more. It just really depends. My diet doesn't necessarily, well, isn't necessarily the best. I do eat a lot of fast food, but I do cook a lot at the same time, so it might balance it out. But I do feel that I notice a difference in my skin when I'm drinking the amount of water that I'm supposed to daily. But I do find my skincare routine to be pretty simplistic. No, maybe not. I don't know. It might be a lot to some, but to me it's pretty easy. And that's really all I do. I don't get into the fancy smancy expensive stuff, even though I would love to. But let's be real, a lot of us are on a budget and I splurge on other things. Even though I do feel like my life is like this, like 90% of the time. So I hope this video answers a lot of questions that you guys had, and I will have this video listed in the description box always, so you have reference to go back to, because I have another old video of my eyebrow routine and like how I put on lashes, things like that. So this will be another video I will link down below unless it changes. Before I wrap this up, again, I want to thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I've just been on cloud 9, and I can't believe I finally reached this goal of mine. It's unreal. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Is a bitch getting emotional? Like, these are like, oh, these are, this will be the reason I don't like get emotional, is because these are House of Lashes Iconic light lashes, and I love them. I can't stop wearing them. I think I'm going to be wearing them like in every video. Like, oh my god, if you have not tried these lashes, you need to try these lashes. So again, thank you so much. I can't even believe it. So let's make it a goal to hit 5,000, which seems like I would be in probably more shock if I hit 5,000 subscribers, but whatever. I'll wrap this video up now. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching. Why do I feel like I talked 1,000 miles an hour in this video? Ugh. Ooh. How are you gonna talk about skincare and your skin looks like shit? Oh. Oh, yes. What do I say? What do I say?